In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure building height in Google Earth Pro. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, is enable 3D buildings. So you want to go to layers over here at the bottom left, and you want to go to primary database, and you want to put a check mark next to a 3D buildings, and you want to make sure photorealistic is actually turned on over here as well, okay? So whenever that's done, you want to find a building, you want to figure its height off. So I'm going to go over here to this building I found over here, and then I'm going to show you two methods to actually do this. Now, the first one is looking at this elevation down here at the bottom right of your screen. So right now it says 116, as you can see, and if I move around, it's going to be different. So just watch that. If I actually want to see the elevation difference, I can basically figure out the building height as well. So if I go to the ground over here of this building, you can see the elevation right now is 117 meters, okay? And now, of course, if I go to the roof over here, it says 128. So I can just basically see the difference here. So the elevation difference is going to be, of course, our number which we're looking for. So from 117 to 128 is going to be about 11 meters, okay? So in this case, that's one way to do it. And of course, you can do this for whatever. I can go over here where you can see it's 116, and then at the top it's again 128, 127, somewhere in between there. And you can basically perform this for pretty much anything where you want to measure height, okay? That's one way. However, if you want to be more accurate, you could also use the ruler tool. So I'm going to position myself over here so I can see well, like this. I'm actually not going to go, there we go. So that's going to be my position right now. Of course, you can go into a better view if you wanna. You can get as good of an angle as you can. And then you want to go to this ruler tool up top. So click on it. If it's not showing, click on over here, tools, and then ruler. And you want to select 3D path. Now, usually I like to put it in meters. Of course, you can do whatever you're using. I'm going to do meters right now. And we're going to click over here on the ground. And then the second point is going to be over here at the roof. And as you can see, if I click on here, if it's going to let me right now, for some reason it's not letting me, I might have to basically pivot out of here for a second. So let me actually clear this for a second. There we go. You have to actually go out if it's going to let me. There we go. So to do this, you can click at the bottom and then at the very top. So again, I'm going to go in here, click at the bottom, then I'm going to click at the very top, and there we go. As you can see, it's about 11 meters as well, which is pretty much the same as we noticed over here, measuring the elevation, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.